Hey, Shane here from the Legal Edge. One of the things we talk about a lot is KPIs. Having KPIs for all of your team members, having goals and targets. And we want to do that for two reasons. One, so we establish a minimum threshold, right? Or minimum expectations. We expect you to do at least this. However, I've run into people before who are like, hey, we don't need KPIs. Everybody just does the best they can. Everybody just works as hard as they can. And while that's great in theory, it's just not true in reality. Everybody pushes harder if there's a goal or target or if they know what they're expected to do. Heck, I always wanted to know what I was expected to do in my job, right? That way I would know if I was doing well or whether I was failing or whether I was succeeding or crushing it. And I think back, I had a team member, me and another attorney in my firm, we argued over this particular issue because they thought there's no need for this. Everybody just works as hard as they can. And I said, oh, really? And then we set up a goal. And we said, hey, if you settled this many cases over a 3-month time period, then you got this extra amount of money, a bonus. And and we did a 3-month average. And what happened is immediately after we put that bonus in place, the number of cases that were settled every quarter went up every single time. And not only that, what we found is that when team members were behind or attorneys were behind, maybe the first month or two, then suddenly the third month they started putting in extra hours so they would qualify for that bonus, okay? So always have KPIs for every job in your firm, whether that is, number of claims set up to medical record requests that need to go out or case managers or attorneys. Have a KPI for every department and every section. That way you'll establish a minimum threshold, but you'll also know who your winners are and who your superstars are, okay? And I would encourage you to consider, is there a bonus or some way to incentivize your top performers to do even better? I'll talk to you later from the Edge.